Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle Ishell. Thank you for tuning in for another video. Today I will be sharing with you my Bath & Body Works haul. It is the springtime and I did a haul in the fall/winter time, and that video did very well, so I wanted to do another one. Since this is something that I already do, I love candle shopping and I love Bath & Body Works. I had to show you guys what I got. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Each year, Bath & Body Works has a semi-annual sale in the summertime, which is right around the corner, and also in December, somewhere near Christmas time. So in order to get ready for the semi-annual sale, I want to show you guys what I got so that you can be prepared and maybe get some of the same scents or similar scents that I did. So I got a lot of stuff, but I'll start off with the candles because I love their candles. I typically get the 3-wick candles, and I've actually never gotten the 1-wick candle from Bath & Body Works before until now. So let's see what I got. So the very first candle is called Lemon Mint Leaf. It says it's made with natural essential oils, and it's such a pretty color. It's like a teal blue color. And the packaging on the front is very nice as well. Smell. Oh, definitely getting lemon and mint scents from here. Going to read the warning on the back of the candle. We are always supposed to burn the candle within our sight. Keep away from things that catch fire, such as a curtain or a YouTube backdrop. Keep away from children and pets. Always trim wicks to 1/4 inch before relighting. Keep wax pool free of wick trimmings and matches. Do not burn candle for more than 4-hour intervals, and do not extinguish with water. Until recently, I did not read the warning sign on the candles. I didn't know that I was supposed to trim the wick to 1/4 inch. But anyways, now I know, so act accordingly. You just want to be safe when you're lighting a candle. These little ones, they burn for approximately 25 to 48 hours, which is still a good burn for a small candle. So I'm really excited to try these out for the first time. It smells so good. It smells so peaceful and relaxing. I love candles that put you in a relaxing state that you can probably use when you're doing a bubble bath. So this is what I'll probably be using this one for. Next, we got Fiji White Sands, and this container is really pretty as well. It has like a little texture to it, so that's pretty cool. It does smell like, well, I've never been to Fiji, but the pictures that I see of Fiji are so beautiful. The sand is really pretty. The water is very beautiful. Oh my God. So this one definitely makes me feel like I'm on a beach somewhere. Next, we have the Waikiki Beach Coconut. I am all about beachy vibes this summer, so I got a lot of beachy candles. This one is really pretty as well. The color is very pretty. The label here is very colorful, so that's pretty cool. I love the smell of coconut. I don't like the taste, but I do love the smell of it, so this is really, really good. And the last candle that I got here is the Mango Mai Tai. I love this one. I already have I had the wall plug-in for this one as well, so I already knew this one was good. I love anything mango. Mango smells so good. Fruity. Yes. Oh my God. So good. So this one has like a pink color wax to it, and the label is also very colorful as well. So now I'm going to go online to find what the notes are for these candles, because unlike on the 3-wick candles, they don't say anything about what scents are in here. So I'm going to go online really quick to see. The fragrance in the Lemon Mint Leaf one is a sparkling lemon zest, spearmint leaves, verbena, sprigs with essential oils. The citrusy, earthly scents, fresh brewed to brighten up any space, and it comes topped with a decorative lid. One thing to note about these candles from Bath & Body Works is they switch up the packaging a lot, and they try to make it seem like it's a new candle, but most times these are just the same candles in rotation, they're just with different packaging depending on the season, I think. Next, the Waikiki Beach Coconut one. The fragrance is Tropical White Coconut, which is what I smelled. Saltwater breezes, sun bleached woods with essential oils. I'm not sure what sun bleached woods is, but these definitely go for a beachy smell, like I mentioned before. Escape to the beach, no plane ticket required. This coconutty single wick candle is made with an exclusive blend of soy-based wax and the highest concentration of essential oils in a simple single fragrance. The candle melts consistently and evenly, radiating enough fragrance to fill an entire room with a burn time of approximately 25 to 45 hours. Next is the Mango Mai Tai. It has fresh mango nectar, exotic jasmine, sun-kissed grapefruit with essential oils. So the grapefruit. I can smell the grapefruit now. That's why I always like to smell it first to see if I can kind of pick out what fragrances are in here before actually reading it. And lastly is the Fiji White Sands. Fragrance here is fresh cut sugarcane, white nectarine, sandalwood with essential oils. And this one, those scents definitely describe it. It's like a clean beach smell. So those are all the candles that I got. And then I got a lot of these little wall plugins. This one is a cucumber verbena. The fragrance notes for this one are green tea and watery cucumber verbena. Now, I like to smell these before I get them, which is why I always love going to the store to buy my products, because they have the candle that matches the wall plug-in. So I get to smell it before I actually buy it. So the next one I got is the Island Margarita. And the fragrance notes here are sweet mandarin, island mango, and sea salt. And like I said before, I love mango, so anything that smells like mango, I'm getting. Next, the Black Cherry Merlot. I will always have one of these. I actually have 3 wick candles upstairs that are waiting to be burnt. I will always have one of these in my collection. This is my favorite, all-time favorite scent. Fragrance notes of this are dark cherry, black raspberry, and sumptuous merlot. Waikiki Beach Coconut. I got the wall plug-in to match the candle that I just got. And as I said before, the fragrance notes are tropical white coconut, saltwater breezes, sun bleached woods. Another one I got is fresh cut lilacs. Very pretty. The fragrance notes here are lilac bouquets, dewy greens, soft spring air. Then I got the Mango Mai Tai, the same one that I got candle in. So again, the fragrance notes are fresh mango nectar, exotic jasmine, and sun-kissed grapefruit. And the last one I got here is Rainforest Gardenia. The fragrance notes for this one are classic white gardenia, sweet apple water, and bamboo. These are all so amazing. And this one here that I already plugged in, I got ahead of myself. I need to fill this up again because I miss having a smell going on in the house. This one is the Peach Bellini one. And the fragrance notes are succulent white peach, sparkling prosecco, and sweet orange. And I definitely smell those things in here. This one is so good. It's a citrusy smell and I love it. I'm currently using this one. And lastly, in my other bag here, I got some hand soaps. So I tried not to get the same scents that I got candles in, but I got the Island Papaya, And I never knew this actually. These are made without dyes and parabens. This gel formula made with vitamin E, shea extract, aloe, and natural essential oils leaves hand feeling clean and soft. And these do really make my hands feel soft. So this Island Papaya has tropical coconut, fresh papaya, and sugar cane. Again, I smelled these in the store before purchasing them, just to make sure this is what I wanted. Because you guys know some of their candles or scents, they're just too strong. So I didn't want that. This one, Coastal Watermelon. Oh my God. The fragrance notes are juicy watermelon, a pinch of pink sea salt, and ocean waves. This one is so refreshing. And this one is made with vitamin E, shea extract, aloe, and natural oils as well. Love it. And it's funny, I live by myself, so I don't go through soap like that because it's just me. So I'm gonna have these for a little while. This one, Ocean Front Garden. The fragrances are salted orchid, beach grass, and lemon zest. That sounds so soothing and relaxing. And of course I gotta get the colorful and the fruity ones. So this one is raspberry tangerine, and it has wild raspberries, fresh tangerine, and lemon zest. And then I got a pineapple mango. Once again, I told y'all mango is one of my favorites. So this one has fresh pineapple juice, mango, and vine ripe raspberry. Sounds so yummy. And then lastly, I got the Kitchen Lemon. I love a lemon soap and moisturizer hand lotion for my kitchen, and I actually have the hand lotion upstairs that I didn't finish, but I finished this one that I got last year, so I got another one. I will always have one of these on deck as well. And as far as the coupons, you guys know well, you might not know, but I get coupons in the mail every month. And I wish I would have took a picture of them before, but they had one free body care item. So I got this white tea and sage hand lotion, and oh my God, I love this scent. I already have a candle of this upstairs. I used this for my spa days, and it was actually in my haul that I did last year. So this white tea and sage one has sparkling bergamot, white tea, and fresh sage. Oh, it's so relaxing as well. Few things that I love about Bath & Body Works, because I'm a Bath & Body Works candle type of girl. I know there's some people that are Team Yankee Candle and others that are Team Bath & Body Works. I'm all the way Team Bath & Body Works because the candles are A1. They have really good scents. They have a diversity of scents and fragrances to choose from. They have more than just candles. They have different types, different sizes of candles. There's just so many options with Bath & Body Works, and I love that. Also, the scents last so long. Like the candles, they can burn so long, and it just makes your house feel so good. Like last year I had a few people come to my house and they complimented the smell. I'm like, well, thanks to Bath & Body Works, my house smells fabulous. As I was talking about before, I received this in my bag, and it just has a sale, the semi-annual sale, and it starts June 14th. There's 75% off select clearance while supplies last. And there are new deals and markdowns each week. And they have like some of your favorites they come back. If you guys are interested in the semi-annual sale, don't forget to take your pen and your notepad and write down some notes of which candles that I got, and maybe you can try those out for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And don't forget to share this video out to all your candle loving friends. And until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye.